Hi everybody, welcome back to Polymer Clay by Deb. I'm Deb, and as you know, this is the star of our show, Crazy Felix. Most people just tune in to watch him. Anyway, this is Winner Wednesday, right Felix? And we have a winner of this cherry jar. This was supposed to be last Wednesday. We skipped a week because our car died and we spent the week car shopping, which wasn't a whole lot of fun. So anyway, we are back for Winner Wednesday. Before we get started, I do have a few announcements though. The first one is the jelly bean jar. We are going to have to do a jelly bean do-over because Huggy 12 has not shown up. I don't know what happened to her. I sent her a message and everything and she hasn't claimed her jar, so we're going to have a do-over, and then if she does come forward, we'll just send her something else. So watch for that jelly bean jar do-over giveaway. And then the other thing is I just uploaded a video on our other channel about my experience with my new Google Pixel 2 XL phone, which was a complete nightmare. So if you want to check that out, we're going to put the link right up here after the video, and so be sure to go over there and check that out. Then the other thing is we're going to take a little break from the jars, and our next video is going to be on this little stork. So that will be our very next video. You don't want to miss that. And the other thing is Sherry Berry. If you are out there, we want to know if you got your jelly bean, or not your jelly bean jar, but your bunny jar. I know we sent it to Alaska, so let us know if you got it and how you like it. So, I guess that is it. I feel like we're at church where they always say, we have a few announcements before you're dismissed. So anyway, the announcements are done. And we have the winner. The winner of this cherry jar is Pauline Fallon. Congratulations, you are the winner. So send me a message with your address where you want it sent and we will ship this out to you. So I guess that is it. So I liked you in church. I guess you're dismissed. So we'll see you later at the stork video, so don't miss that. And till next time, I'm Deb, Polymer Clay by Deb. You saw Crazy Felix, and we'll see you later. Bye now.